Hello artist! Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make a fun marshmallow snowman floating in a cup of hot cocoa. So I'm going to be drawing it, and if you would like to make this, you can watch me, but then I would recommend watching the video on your own and pausing it so you can draw the first part with me. So you can decorate it however you want, but the beginning part is kind of the same for everybody. Now I'm going to use a pencil because I need to erase. So you must have a pencil and an eraser for the beginning. Erasing is part of it. So to start, what you're going to do is in the middle of thy paper, you are going to start by making an oval. All right? That's going to be where the hot chocolate goes. Now on the bottom of the oval, starting from side to side, I'm going to put the rim of my cup. And then on the inside of my cup, I kind of have to do the same thing, but just on the inside. Or it kind of looks like just two ovals that are drawn right on top of each other. Huh! I just taught myself a new trick. Okay, so if you just have an oval and you don't have that part, no big deal. Next is you are going to draw your snowman. So you're going to draw all 3 circles. I put the bottom 2 entirely in the hot chocolate. This one I didn't, and I kind of wish I did. All right, so now it's time to use some of your eraser. Like right here, where the head goes over the mug. Get rid of it. All right, so I'm gonna tidy that up a little bit. So for the arms, it's sort of like a capital Y. You could just draw the capital Y, or if you know how to do bubble letters, you can do a bubble letter Y, and then again, just erase. This is a lot of steps. So again, this part, I would go through the video again. Now, the tricky, or it's not tricky, but the trick to making this part look like it's kind of like sunk in is on the bottom half, I'm going to make a circle going out, and then in the middle of the top half, I'm going to make a curve going the other way, and then I'm just going to erase what's inside. Now it looks like he's in the water, or in the hot chocolate. So other things that I would do are to add a couple swooshes. You want to add your snowman's face. I'm not going to go through all the details of all of that, but when I make a carrot, I will say this. I like to make rings on it, and then make a mouth of any kind, a hat of any kind. The other tips I have for you are to make the mug go from side, or make the edges tilt in a little bit, and for the bottom, make it curve out just a smidge. If you want to put a handle on, handles are like half of a heart with another half heart inside. Now that is just the basic beginning. You can make any kind of decorations you want. I did mine on a light brown piece of paper so that you can see the differences. And I use these because I used construction paper. These are construction paper crayons. They are amazing. They can go on really dark construction paper too. And then I outlined everything at the end with Sharpie. I definitely made a border and a table in the background too. But you can change. You don't have to use the same materials I used. Maybe you want to paint, and so you draw this on a painting paper instead, and then you outline with Sharpie and you paint. There are lots of different ideas that you could do while you're doing this project. You could put him a little Frosty the Snowman, a flower, Maybe he's wearing a bow tie instead of a coal. You could put decorations down here. Fill it. Take your time. You know, you are the artiste. Okay, my young friends. Happy arting today.